Harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I don't wanna be like Cinderella. This hair reminds me of Adrienne Bailon. This hair is gorgeous. First, it reminded me of Beyonce. If you like the ocean, I'm gonna ring on it. Whoa, surfboard. Okay, anyway, and this hair is from Nadula, and I'm so excited to show you guys the whole wig install and everything because this wig is absolutely gorgeous. So with that being said, we're just gonna get right into this video. So since this wig is a 13x4 lace wig, I'm gonna do the bald cap method, and I'm going to be using the 𝐴𝐵𝐴 lace spray, and I'm gonna just do a few layers. Then I'm going to be taking my blow dryer and let that dry. Then I'm just gonna cut the lace and make sure that it matches with my actual hairline, so this could look very natural as possible. Then I'm just gonna take some foundation, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and a sponge, and I'm just gonna put it right on like the hairline area, but I'm not gonna put it everywhere because it's kind of unnecessary too, especially if it's not gonna be shown. So I'm only gonna put it on like my hairline area. So this wig right here is the Nadula Highlight Brown Curly Lace Front Wigs Honey Blonde Highlight Wigs Ombre Wig, human hair, 150% density, and the length of it is 24 inches. And you guys, this hair, the lining, the hair lining and everything, I don't know if it's pre-plucked or not, but the lining and like the pre-plucked lookiness on it is perfect. And I'm going to be taking the 𝐴𝐵𝐴 lace bond spray again, and I'm going to use that as my quote-unquote glue, and it works so good. I've been sleeping on this for like a couple months, and I'm so glad that I got it not too long ago because it works so good, and there's no type of white cast or anything, and it doesn't make the hair look fake. It helps make the hair look very natural as possible, and it doesn't make the hair look crunchy either when you use it. And I added about 3 to 5 layers on like my scalp hairline area. Then on top of the lace, I added 1 to 2 layers. I could have added more, but I'm not gonna wear this wig for long. But definitely add more layers if you wanna have this wig last for about at least 3 to 5 days. And then I'm just cutting the sides of it, and the wig cap size is like an average. So on me it was a little bit tight, just a little bit, so I had to cut like between the sides of the lace that's behind the Swiss lace. I don't know how to explain, but I did make it loose, like a little bit loose, so it could be more comfortable fitting. But yeah, other than that, the lace was still very comfortable to wear. And by the way, using this comb actually helps me to make sure that the lace is evenly laid flat and there's no type of air bubbles in it. And now I'm just cutting the lace as close to my natural hairline as possible, and I really feel like I should have used a razor instead of scissors because it was giving me like kind of like a more of a straight line, but I believe it's only because of the lace color, which I'll talk about towards the end of the video when I give my final thoughts on this wig. Now it's time to finally let everything melt together, and I'm gonna let everything melt for about 10 minutes or so. And while the lace is melting, I'm going to be showing you guys what else I received from NadulaHair. So I received a wig cap, red clips, lashes, and a silk red inspired bandana. After I take that off, everything looks nice and melted, and I'm so glad I did not have to pre-pluck this wig or anything like that. And everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be listed down below, so make sure you guys go check out my description. And right now I took the Shea Balm wax stick, then I'm gonna part my hair in the middle and then use heat protectant so I can make sure that my middle part is flat and looking very natural. Make sure it's looking like it's coming from my scalp, you know, the typical. And now I'm just preparing to do my baby hairs, and I'm going to be using the clips that they gave me, and I've never seen clips like this before, so this is very different and I really like them, and they really hold my hair back and they don't like slip off. But I'm going to be doing my baby hairs, and pretty much I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do it. First I take the hot comb to make sure it's flat, then I twist the hair and cut it about my brow length and curl it. This is very good. This is a very good curler. It was only $15. It was the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon. And I'm taking my spritz spray, and this is what really helps me lay my baby hairs. Just make sure that you do not use too much, or else it'll be messy and it'll be hard to lay them. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing the same technique all over my edges area. So I'm just gonna play the music and just watch how I do my baby hairs. And now, since the baby hairs are laid and looking real pretty, I'm going to be doing the actual hair, and I'm going to be taking this design mousse, and it's a almond avocado mousse, and this works so good for wigs and natural hair. And first I got it just for my natural hair, but I don't really use it as much because I have so many other products that I need to try out and use, so I just use this for my wigs, and it works amazing. I highly recommend you guys getting this product. It'll be linked down below, like with everything else. But yeah, oh, and I also added eco styling gel, which I forgot to show you guys, but I mainly added it towards the center, so the center of my hair area would look a little bit more lifted and not flat. And I added the eco towards the ends of my hair so it doesn't look too frizzy. And now I'm just gonna add concealer towards the scalp area, the center, so it can look more realistic and not too dark. And this is how the hair looks. And make sure you guys stay towards the end of the video so you know every little detail and my final thoughts on this wig. So this is the hair, and first I was feeling like Beyonce, now I'm feeling like Adrian, Chi from Cheetah Girls, 3LW type of vibes, you know. Players gonna play, haters gonna hate, okay? Because this is so gorgeous. Like, this is right up my alley. Like, if I was to ever dye my hair, it would be something like this, like highlights and the brown and just everything just like this. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the length on this. I love how the highlights are in this wig. It's not looking like, you know, on one side and this side. No, it's like evenly spread it out. Like, they really took their time dyeing this wig. And the hairline on this wig is so bomb. But one thing, of course, I can say is that it's definitely brown skin girl type of friendly, you know what I'm saying? Because the lace is more brown and it'll match with like that skin tone. But since I'm like way lighter, like, you know, I have to like bronze up a little bit more than usual. But then again, not really usual, because I do keep my forehead really bronzy all the time. So yeah, if you're like my complexion or so, then most likely you would definitely have to wear makeup when it comes to this wig. You can't just wear this wig with no makeup, because you'll see like the brown tinted type of lace. But that doesn't bother me. I wear makeup all the time anyway, so it just blends in with the makeup better. I really feel like Adrienne Bailon right now, because this hair, it's giving me that, for real. I definitely rate this hair a 10 out of 10. The quality is amazing. There's barely any shedding. Even when I washed it, it does not get frizzy easily, so thank God, because sometimes curly hair wigs can get really frizzy easily, and it's like, oh, do I really have to apply more product and all that? But I also didn't even have to apply product. Like, I could have left the natural frizziness that I came as, but I just wanted the curls more defined. But make sure you guys go check out NadulaHair. I'll leave all their information in the description box down below for you guys, so make sure you guys go check them out. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. It will mean so much to me and it'll help me a lot. And click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name. And I'll see you guys in my next video.